recorded. Okay, it is started and converting also there. Okay, so next line, what I'm going to do, I'm going to decide from where we have to download this file, because you require, no, whenever you are writing the script, you can give this logic also. Either you go and copy the software into some folder, or otherwise you go and write into the code, your PowerShell itself is going to download the file, right? So if I'm going to
Okay.
execute this file, what is going to happen? Just we'll see. What is this? If I will go here and if I will go and I will paste here, I will press enter. What it will do? It is going to download the 7-zip software. Got it?
Okay.
If I'll go to 7-zip, so you can show it here, or otherwise you can go to the open the location. Oh, sorry, it is not. Okay, download something. You will go and you will have to see. This is the this is the location. Saying no, this one 7-zip. This is the only file. I mean, this is the path. Correct? Which path I have pasted here. Got it? No.
Okay. Yeah.
This is only this one. What you are saying here down. So, what is the meaning of this? If you are going to execute this command, it will be going to download the 7-zip software. No doubt.
Got it. Yeah.
So, what I have done, I have just created one variable. In this, I have saved this, right? Because what is going to happen when this software is going to be download, it is going to be download with some different name. You can see the 7jet1604. I want to change it to my convenience. So what? So that's why what I have given. I given the destination, because I have to give, whenever we are downloading the software, I require two things, right? One is source and one is destination, right? Because here in this system, they have already decided if anything you are going to download, by default it will go to this destination downloads only, right?
Correct.
Because in your computer it is already predefined. Anything you will download, where it is downloading? In the downloading folder, right?
Downloads. Yeah. Yeah.
But for us, it is not decided. For deciding where it has to go, I am deciding my destination should be this path, because I am going to download here only, right? In this,
Correct.
this is nothing but this is the folder, this is the variable will contain my destination path, right? So I have decided my destination path where, and I have given the /7g, means it will be while destination, while it will be copied to the destination, that time only what it will do, it will be just rename the exe file name. That's it. No doubt.
Yes.
So till now here I have not done anything. I have just created one variable and I have saved the location of where I have to download. I have created one destination variable and I have just given that where it has to be downloaded. That's it. Got it?
Okay.
Only this much I have done. Okay. Next, I am going with this. What is this command actually? This time I am not going with my commandlets. I am using my .NET work. You can see the system.NET web client. So what is this new object? What will happen if you want to download any software from the Google? There is three way. One, you can do from the PowerShell. PowerShell means you can use the invoke SQL, invoke web request. That also it is fine. If you don't want to do this, you can use the .NET technology to download this, right? Either you can PowerShell commandlets you can use, or either you can use the .NET. What is going to be happen? I have taken one object. In this way you have to download. You will take one variable and you can write this one, library, new object and system.NET web client, right? This is when the
Yeah.
commandlets was not developed. People were using to download the software using this .NET features, right? And how I have
Yeah.
to do? Where you are saving this new, there only you have to give the .download file and you press the source and destination. What is your source? Source is from here, it has to download. Destination is what you have given here. If I'm going to execute this, what is going to happen? It is display, it is already exists. After that, if you'll go to C folder, installer, you can see this file is already downloaded, right? If I will delete this, and if I'm going to execute this, what is going to happen? It will be automatically download the software in this location using .NET concept. No doubt.
No doubt.
Same thing if you want to do from invoke SQL CMD, that also you will able to do. This time I don't want to use this .NET concept. I want to use the commandlets. So that also it is fine. Same thing I will give invoke web request and source, and I will pass here destination. Then also it is going to be download the same work only it is going to give. It is very simple,
Okay.
right? There you have
Yes.
to write this code, you have to remember, right? Here nothing is there,
Correct.
just you have to remember invoke web request and just source and it is a simple, right? So if
Yeah.
so if you are going to give here, okay, nothing is there. If I'm going to execute this, what is going to happen? It is downloaded. You will see it came here. So same work you will able to perform either .NET or you will able to perform using commandlets. No doubt.
No doubt, sir.
So what I am going to do, I am just pasting this line. What this line is going to do? First, it will I am checking the if statement. If statement means this command. Yesterday I have told you, get command if you are going to execute invoke vector, it will give the result. If the result is coming, the meaning of this means this command you will able to execute. It is there in your system. Getting or not?
Yeah.
So what it is going to do? It is just checking get command invoke web request. It is here or not. If it is here, it is going to work on the invoke web request. Maybe if you are writing the code, maybe this code you are going to run on the PowerShell version 1, right? That time
Yeah.
maybe invoke web request was not available into your system, right? That time your script will
Yes.
fail if you are going to write your code using commandlets, right or wrong? That's why I have
Correct.
added else. If your system will having 5, then no problem, well and good, it will be work. If it is not there, it will use the .NET concept to download the file. Right? Two things I have given. If you don't want, if you want to remove this, then also it is fine, no problem. Correct? It
Correct.
will work. It will work, but it has to be their highest version of the PowerShell. Correct? Then only your this commandlets will work. Correct? No doubt, no?
Yeah. Yeah. No doubt. Yeah.
Okay. After that, I am going to copy this code. What is this code? This code is only using that installing the software, right? So what I am going to do, I will just check whether 7zip is there. 7zip is not there. So if I'm going to execute this, so what happened now? It is downloaded the file and it will take some time to installation also. It is just downloading this. So it is working invoke back request. This is download is done, right? After download, you can't say it is already installed because when it is ran this script, maybe it will take time, maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes. So if I will go here, if I will save a zip, maybe it is not coming because maybe it is the under installation of the process. You have to wait for, you have to create some delay, right?
Yeah.
What is this? This is nothing but your, so how you are going to, if you want to execute anything, what you will do? MSIEXC hyphen I you will give, that is the input. So you can see I have given the link also if you want to know. So for this skill, what you have to find out, I have shown you two ways to download the software, right? One is using invoke back request, one is using .NET, right? You search into the Google what is the third way to download them from the internet, any file, right? You can able to search. Soumya.
Yeah. Yeah. So okay.
So now see 7zip file has been downloaded, right? Installed. It has taken some time. Before it was not coming, right? Right or
Yeah.
wrong? So it was not
Yeah.
coming, now it is coming. So what is the meaning of this? Means this is, so I told you first you Google, you download and check what are the 3 ways to download the any software from Google. That is the one thing. Second thing, go to this link and check how to install any software in PowerShell. You go and
Okay.
read this mxc.exe command lines. What are the parameter you can pass? I, A, J. There is a multiple of what is the use of this all. This everything you read from
Okay.
Google. I will show you few. If you are using QN, means no UI will come. If you are using B, means the basic UI. If you are giving F, means it is a full. What I am going to do, I am removing N, I am pressing F this time, and I will
Okay.
uninstall my software. If I'll go to the control panel, what I am going to do, I am going to uninstall this software, and this time I given the F. If you are giving the F, what is going to happen? We will see. Okay, till it is okay, it is okay. Uninstallation is done. This time I am going to run this command. This is having F, right? If I am
Yeah.
pressing this F, it is download the software. It will not go automatically next. You have to manually place. Means F means is the full installation. It will come. Got it now?
Yeah.
And if you are doing this for the multiple of server, what is going to be happen? How you will press FFF? It will go to the open into the other computer. This is 7-zip software. If you are going to install into the 100 of computer and you are giving the F, then it is not useful, right? Everywhere
Correct.
this GUI tool will come, GUI graphical tool, right?
Yeah.
Correct, no?
Yes.
People is not using F. So you understood what is the meaning of N means? No UI will display like in first. If you are pressing
Uh,
F means full will come. If you are going to press B means basic it will come. Even you can change with the B also. This time B, what is going to happen? Not that much it will come, but basic it is just displayed, it is downloaded like that, it's came, right? And your installation will be done. Once your installation is done, what you have to do, you have to give some second of sleep time. Why you are going to give? Because installation itself it will take some time, right? Maybe 10 second or 15
yeah.
second. So instead of 35 I'll give 15 second of delay, right? After 15
Okay.
second we are there is no use of because this is not required to reboot the system, right? That's why I have not added reboot. So if you want after this, you will reboot the host, and after that I am deleting that. If you want to delete any folder file, you have to use rm command, rm hyphen force and the destination location. What is going to happen? Till here it is there, right? Once your
Yeah.
everything will be done, it is going to, because you are, once you are installing the SQL Server software, what you are doing, once your installation will be completed, you are deleting the software, right or wrong?
Correct.
So the same way I am doing here, I am also deleting the software. No doubt.
No doubts. Yeah.
So if I'm going now, I will check whether I have the software or not. Okay, I will take 15 more minutes. After that, I will join it. It will take. So it is already there. I will uninstalling again, and then I will running that command. So it is done, right? Now what I'm going to do, if I'm going to execute this, what is going to happen? It will download, it will display the folder again, it is downloaded it. After the installation is happening, after it will go for the 15 second of delay. After that, automatically it will be delete this software. I think it is under installation still. Mhm. Oh, I have written CC, that's why it is not deleted. Sorry. So if I'm going to execute this command, what it will do? It will delete that software from here. Got it? That time double
Yeah.
C came. That's why it is not deleting them. No doubt.
No doubt. Yeah.
You understood how we can do the automation of the um, 7 zip.
Software installation. Yeah.
Same thing you can do with the not SQL Server installation, because what is going to be happen in the SQL Server, you have to give the user database path, you have to give the instance name. So it is not possible using PowerShell. Like multiple of server you can't do, but you will able to do single server. If you want to installation using PowerShell, you will able to do. That is not a problem, because you need the configuration file. Are you remember whenever you are installing the SQL Server, last you will see the ini file, right?
Yeah.
That ini file only you have to use as a parameter, and you can use the PowerShell for installing the SQL Server. But installation of SQL Server you can't do in one time 10 server, because all required multiple of name, right? So one server you will
Correct.
able to do. But after that, what you are doing, whatever you are doing, no SOP check, right? After installation, you are doing some check, right? What is the database
Yeah.
location, where it's when this everything you will automate using PowerShell. You don't have to do anything. Just you run the script, it will generate the report. This is this is the way. No doubt.
No doubts. Yeah.
Okay. I'm moving with.
So, are you going to show that as well?
Mm,
The SQL Server installation.
if you want, I have all the script ready. I will show you.
Yeah. I mean,
But because that is a fully SQL DBA concept, right? That's why I have not added here.
yeah.
If you want, I will add it. No problem. Everything is ready.
Yeah. Yeah. Like if you can, like you don't have to write it, but if we can go through in brief this,
Okay.
what it
Okay
is
then.
doing, all that.
Okay. Then I will go. I will show you. Done. So what is your work for this script? I have written for installation. You go for uninstallation. You will able to
Okay.
change this. How to
Yeah.
uninstall 7-zip. That is the one thing. And you can do nowadays. SQL Server SSMS tool is not coming with the server, right? Before, whenever I was teaching you 2008, that time once you are installing the SQL Server, SSMS tool will coming automatically, right?
Yeah.
But
Correct.
nowadays it is not coming. You have to separately, you have to download and you have to install, right? You can
Yeah.
automate this using this way, right? Because
Okay.
SSMS don't want anything, right? It is
Yeah.
just if it is required to restart, you can put there. If it is
Yeah.
required to restart, then restart the host, or otherwise direct you go and install the SSMS. No doubt.
No doubts. Yeah.
Okay. So I'm moving a little bit extra today. Even my meeting is going to be start after 5 minutes. I will join there.
Okay. Yeah.
That's why I want little bit more time. That's why I will telling you always make it at least 1.5 hours from the beginning of the course, because this everything I have to explain, right? Nothing I can means you can tell like I know everything, but this everything is required, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So just I will going to the all script and we will see this is a 7-zip installation. It is done. What is this? It is don't having anything. All server. I was passing the server name. This is also not this is the okay. Now this is the same script. Whatever I have explained, no, I have written here. You can do the practice using this. Got it?
Okay.
And this is I have added here read host. You can go through it. You will understood what is the code I have written. This is also same thing I have explained. Check service already I have written. Day one. This also it is done. PPT I have already explained. Get content. So okay. I will continue with this and I will stop the class.
Okay.
It will take 10 minutes. I will try to finish it fast. So you are understanding, right?
Yeah.
So what is the get content? Get content is used for reading the any file, right? That's why it is used get content. So if you want to read the error log file, if you want to read any notepad file, Excel file from the PowerShell, that time you can use this and you can get the get content. This is also one of the commandlets, right? Commandlet means down you can see, no, this thing somewhere you will get this get content, get command, get content, right? It is here, correct? It will press show detail, it will display the all detail how you can use this command and all path you have to find something like that. Okay, so get content is used for reading the any file. So if I'm executing this, so this error log it is going to read, and full error log it is going to display here, right? No doubt. Okay, second thing,
No doubt.
in get content, if you are adding -1, total count -1, what is going to do? It is going to read the top first line. So what I'm reading? I'm reading this one, all server.txt file, right? If I'll go here, Control C, Windows R. So I'll go here. Oh, why it is not going? So you understood, no? In this file, all server.txt. So if I'll go to the all server, so whatever it is there, no, it is going to read the first line. That's it. Instead of doing this, I will give this location. This is some different old class location. You will also read the same thing only. If I'll go and if I will just I'm reading only this much, it is going to read the full. This three only data was there, right? Server path and database is only there in this server path and database. The same thing it is going to display. If you are going to add top one, means it's going to read the top one line. If you are going to give the two, means it is going to give the, if it is going to read the top two line. Okay, now it is using server and path. So my what I want you to search into the Google, if I have to read the last line or last 10 line, how we can do, correct? Then second thing is set content. Set content is what? Set content is just taking the result of this. That's why I have written the pipe symbol. All result you take it here and pass for input for this. What is the set content? Set content is going to be create the any file if you want to create. So maybe my file is very big, right? 100 line is there. I want to read only 2 lines. So I will go in this is such a way, get content, and then we will write the set content, right? Set content to this location, right? If I'm going to execute this server one, so just I will check what is there in my server one. Anything, it is server one. This is no. So hi, hello, something is there. So what I'm going to do, I will delete this only server one. So I am going to execute this command. Now, what is going to happen? In this file, it's having the 3 line, right? In this 3 line, top 2 line, it will be filtered, and this 2 line, it is going to be saved into this server1.txt file. So now if I will go with the date model server1.txt, so it is having the 2 line only, it is saved. No doubt?
No doubt.
Okay, I'm going with the next. People is using this filter for finding the error also. Many times you have to write the code in such a way if any error is came into the error log file. So error log only it has to display, right? So what people will do, get content, and this is the error log, right? This is the error log file. And I will write where $_ I have already explained you, right? $_ means it is going to read the one by one each line. Because if I'm going to execute this line, what I'm going to see, it's having the multiple of line. So if I'm writing where $_ means this is the input, this result, whatever you are seeing, that is going to become the input for this, right? And it is reading each line one by one line and matching where is the error. If it is found the error, it is going to display only error thing where it is. So now you will see the result is error. Where the error will be there, it is going to somewhere you will see the error will come. Finish with error. So that line will contain the error, it is going to display. Same thing, you take the result and you want to create one file, so you can go with this way, right? Where, and you can use the out file. So now you tell me you have to search into the Google Even set content is also used to create the file. Means we will take the result and we are going to save into the using set content. And whenever you are going for out file also, then also we will able to do. So what is the difference between the out file and set content? Though both are doing almost same work, right?
Yeah.
But then why
Yeah.
PowerShell has given set content and out file? You can search into the
Okay.
Google.
So, all these questions you are um
Hmm?
writing it somewhere or
No,
giving
no,
me, or
no, no. You have to write. No,
okay.
what work I am doing, how I will write. You have to search.
Okay. I mean, if it is in any notepad or something, I was
No,
asking.
no. You have to make the 200-page notebook always. Anyhow,
Okay.
I will upload this to video today, so you can watch and you will get what are the question I have asked.
Okay.
Correct.
Okay. Yeah.
Same thing. You
Yeah.
can go with the set content.
Yeah.
Set content is just if you want to set anything into this file. If I'm going to run
Okay.
this set content, what is going to happen? It is going to create one file in this location, and in that file it will write the hello. But here is my question: if we want 2-3 line has to be printed, how we can do using the set content? You
Okay.
can search into the Google this also. I want 3 line has to be written here. So what code I have to develop into the set content? First line will be hello, second line will be hello something, third line will be something. So how I have to implement this? That is your work. Get content already you know.
Okay.
If I'm going to execute this, automatically it is going to read the file. Now it is going to become 12:11. I will stop the class here only, and next class just remember me. This 3-4 thing I have not explained. I will explain you to the next class.
Okay. Yeah.
So I will stop this class here itself. Even today also,
Okay.
day 1 class has not completed, but tomorrow I will start the day 2 class, and I will show
Mhm.
you something how we can send the email using PowerShell, right?
Okay.
But you have to try in your
Okay. Yeah.
office.
Sure. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
Okay then. Fine. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Rajesh. Yeah.